Music by artist MK2. This is an imaginary song with no studio, with no tune. Check my flow, I might be slow. Yeah. Is this life a continuous lesson based on how you think, you feel you are free or trapped in a prison? There is nothing higher than the body's precision, though vision it has is beyond your mind's limitation. Life has no filtration, survival and maintenance is the only mission. It is the mind which moves from one station, looking for permanent satisfaction. Living the body which is the real destination. Out of frustration it faces the real invasion. Only the life can give it back the reality injection. Hope it understands its normal function and moves out of the junction of confusion. To live we have free oxygen, sunlight and gravitation. What you will do if we don't have the above? Even if we have a huge mansion, the day the mind just the temptation and starts the reputation. When there are no more bullets in the gun, it's no more heavy, it's a free lobby. Now it sees the life as it is, there is no piracy. You will be happy, nothing to copy, an empty floppy with nothing to achieve. No request to drop to stop me, and you would be smooth, nothing sloppy. This is random rap with no gap. This is not a trap, yo. This life is a continuous lesson based on how you think, you feel you are free or trapped in a prison. There is nothing higher than the body's precision, though vision it has is beyond your mind's limitation. Life has a filtration, survival and maintenance is the only mission. It is the mind which moves from one station, looking for permanent satisfaction. Living the body which is the real destination.